Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this airbag light, which is to do with the B102029 key switch for airbag shut off passenger side range performance. Now if you're getting this and you've got the airbag light on, it goes back to, so most vehicles, if you ask me, this is VW up 2013-14 if I'm not mistaken. Usually they are found here around this area or on the side. However, for this car, bizarrely, it's found here. So what I would do, sometimes if you're lucky, just do a full scan and clear it. But then again, I would check the wiring, because sometimes what will happen is the wiring in there is probably loose, or the connection behind it is loose. So just make sure it's plugged back in, do a full scan. If that doesn't help, check there is power going to here. And if it is, then just replace this. It's not end of the world. They're cheap. They're only a few, probably 20-30 quid, not even that, on online. Obviously get genuine part. Replace it. It's really easy. Just put some, like, I don't know, flathead there, pull it out and just replace it. It's a case of just unplug and plug in, and then once you've done that, you can then do a full diagnostic scan and clear it. But obviously some of you say, do we need to disconnect the battery? You can if you want. To be fair, you can disconnect the battery for your own safety. If not, you don't have to, but I do recommend taking batteries off when you're fiddling with the airbags, if you ask me.